SpiraMelt Technologies proudly introduces the SRV Injection Molding Screw Tip family. The Shot Replicator valve assembly is a unique sliding check ring valve design that provides extremely fast, consistent closure every shot. No more short shots, no overpacking the mold cavity, and no more erratic cushion variation. You can now focus on making the part you designed accurately every time. So, how does it work? Sliding closure in the SRV Screw Tip solves the three primary downfalls of typical check ring assemblies. Traditional check rings that you have experienced rely on friction between the check ring's outside diameter and the barrel's inside diameter for closure. As the barrel or ring wears, cushion and part weight become erratic, or in extreme cases, the valve assembly simply doesn't close. The distance to close on traditional check ring assemblies is long in order to prevent excessive shear rates and pressure drop through the valve. The angled rear seat and ring sealing surfaces in these valve designs are not only wear surfaces, but also the primary geometrical parameters in pressure drop and shear rate calculations. The only solution for these designs is a longer distance to close and more opportunity for backflow. Valve designs marketed as free flow is code word for one size fits all. Typical check ring designs are plagued with poor flow geometry and material hang-up. Your business is unique, and you face unique production problems that require engineered solutions, not a one-size-fits-all approach. The SpiraMelt SRV Screw Tip does not rely on an angled rear seat and ring for closure. Instead, the SRV ring simply slides past a unique circumferential accumulator groove on the valve body. When the ring occludes the groove, the valve is sealed. The further back the ring travels, the more positive the closure. This sealing mechanism eliminates the need for a long distance to close without introducing excessive pressure drop or shear rates. Instead of being limited by pressure drop with traditional rear seat closure, the SRV distance to close can be optimized for shear rate to best accommodate the resins you process without excessive pressure drop. For example, an SRV screw tip optimized for unfilled polypropylene will have a distance to close of approximately 30 thousandths of an inch or 0.76 millimeters. This is less than 1/4 the distance to close seen in typical valve designs. This means fast, consistent closure without backflow. More importantly, accurate part weight and recovery time every cycle without a restriction of flow. The improved closure mechanism of the SRV also extends the wear life of your equipment. Friction is no longer a function of closure. Instead of relying on friction and velocity to close the valve, the SRV screw tip design allows for more ring-to-barrel clearance without leakage over the ring. Again, you get to focus on making accurate parts for your customers, not costly downtime with worm barrels and valve assemblies. At SpiraMelt Technologies, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach to design. We understand that each of our customers face unique challenges that require elegant solutions. Each of our SRV screw tips is custom designed to best match your production demands. Flow rate, pressure drop, shear rate, leakage over the ring, cushion penetration, hoop strength, and more are rigorously calculated for each valve design to provide world-class performance, making the SRV Injection Molding Screw Tip family the only true free-flow valve design available. The standard SRV screw tip assembly incorporates a unique circumferential accumulator groove and defined longitudinal flow paths for the melt stream. The longitudinal flow paths are carefully designed with generous radial geometry and a continuous taper. The uniquely defined flow paths provide exceptional distributive mixing through the valve body without material hang-up and degradation. The standard SRV screw tip is a self-cleaning valve design that improves melt uniformity without restricting throughput. Our customers have enjoyed high-precision molding with plus or minus 2 thousandths of an inch of cushion variation. At SpiraMelt Technologies, we are driven by innovation. For applications with difficult-to-mold colorants or poorly designed general-purpose screws, the SpiraMelt SRV Vortec mixing valve is the perfect solution. The SRV Vortec enjoys the same best-in-class closure as the standard SRV screw tip, but includes a spiral mixing chamber that promotes a high-quality isothermal melt. You can now convert any screw into a mixing screw with a simple valve change. By incorporating a mixing element in the valve body, short L over D screws are now artificially lengthened to improve throughput and melt quality. This makes the SRV Vortec the most flexible, powerful front-end component available. In true SpiraMelt fashion, each SRV Vortec is tailored to meet your production demands. No one-size-fits-all approach to design. SRV Vortec is best suited for shear-tolerant resins. The Vortec mixing element is a dispersive mixer with undercut barrier flights that homogenize the melt. As resin flows through the entry grooves, the material is forced over the undercut barrier flights and out the outlet grooves. The SRV Vortec promotes a uniform shear history with excellent dispersive and distributive mixing. Both the standard SRV and SRV Vortec valve designs can be equipped with an interlocking, castellated ring design. The SRV I valve design is a robust option for maximum longevity. With an interlocking ring, the ring now rotates with the valve body and screw, eliminating premature front retainer wear. Traditional interlocking valve designs are prone to excessive barrel wear due to the necessary friction for closure. Because of the innovative sliding closure, the SRVI ring enjoys more ring-to-barrel clearance to better extend wear life of the valve assembly and barrel. Achieve the same world-class repeatability as the standard SRV and SRV Vortec valve designs with extended wear life with the SRV I valve option. Along with best-in-class performance, the SRV valve family is built to last. With a robust design and premium high abrasion and corrosion-resistant tool steels, you will enjoy superior shot-to-shot repeatability without all the downtime. Every SRV screw tip assembly is designed and built with quality in mind. Designed by plasticizing experts, each valve is highly polished and machined with precision to deliver world-class performance to companies like yours. The SpiraMelt SRV injection molding screw tip family can be adapted to fit any injection molding machine. Contact the SpiraMelt team today to take advantage of the accuracy and repeatability of the Shot Replicator valve.